Down Chicago 116.
Taro 611 heavy, runway 31 left, taxi left Bravo, hold short stall.
Left Bravo, short stall. One from Air France 008. Air France 008 is calling ground.
Say again?
One from Air France 008, please, answer.
Hello, good evening, how can I help you? This is your first time calling me?
Yes, this is Air France 008. We are on standard 9, and there is an Alitalia passing behind us, but it's our request. It's 800 flying, not to take off.
Can you say this again, please? You're saying that the Alitalia aircraft hit you? Where are you?
This Alitalia wants to take off. Better to control the takeoff.
Okay, where are you?
If you got it for the Alitalia, I don't know which Alitalia.
Okay, where are you, Alitalia?
This is Air France 008. We got a damage from an Alitalia passing behind on standard 9. I'm not aware of the pilots where they are damaged aircraft.
Are you sure it was Alitalia?
Yes, the good staff told me it was Alitalia.
Air France, where are you?
We are at the gate number 9. Gate number 9. Gate number 9. IT ramp, JetBlue 2864, approaching Gaulle for gate 1. Roy, Julian 262 November.
Please stop calling me. I'm going to talk to Air France now. Air France 008. I would like you to call the tower, please. You're on ground. Please check your frequency.
Yes, Air France 008 has the ground, and for you to stop the takeoff from Alitalia because he has damaged his aircraft.
Air France 008, please call. You ready to copy the phone number?
Air France 008, please?
Yes, area code.
Okay.
Tower 611 heavy, wind 35011, runway 31 left, clear for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff 31 left, Tower 611 heavy.
Tower 611 heavy.
Go ahead.
Yes, sir. Just to let you know, another aircraft on the ground currently, Air France, said that you hit them or something of that nature while you were taxiing. Did you experience any damage to the aircraft?
Negative, sir.
Okay, sir. It's 611 heavy. Just thought I'd ask you just to make sure. Contact New York departure, please.
New York departure, Tower 611. Ciao.